Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Raspberry Pi 4 is probably one of the most versatile and affordable single-board computers available, making it perfect for DIY enthusiasts, students, and professionals alike. In this video, we will delve into its capabilities, explore various use cases, and help you decide if it's the right choice for your needs, covering everything from setup and configuration to advanced projects and troubleshooting tips. Number 5. Pi 4 Model B. Get ready to experience the power and versatility of the latest Raspberry Pi. It's packed with features to make your projects come to life. It boasts a powerful quad-core processor, running at 1.5 GHz. This ensures smooth performance for even the most demanding tasks. Stay connected with its dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, and Gigabit Ethernet. It offers seamless connectivity for all your needs. It supports up to 4K P60 video resolution via its dual micro HDMI ports. Experience vibrant, high-definition visuals. With multiple USB ports, a micro SD card slot, and audio-video connectivity, it's ready to connect to a wide range of peripherals. Expand its capabilities effortlessly. It features 4 GB of LPDDR4 SDRAM and requires a 5.1V, 3A power supply via USB-C or PO. It's designed for reliable performance. What we like. It boasts a powerful processor and ample memory. If you need a fast and responsive device for demanding tasks, this is perfect. It's ideal for projects requiring significant processing power and multitasking. You'll appreciate its speed and efficiency for complex applications. What people say. The Raspberry Pi 4 is by far the most capable desktop replacement board to date. The wide software and documentation support within the community is phenomenal, making it extremely easy to get started with the device. There are 4 standard USB connections, 2 X Type 3, 2 X Type 2, 2 LAN connections and 2 micro HDMI connectors for monitors. There is a 30-pin bus affording power, switching and feedback for external devices. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are built in, as is some sort of audio with a 3.5mm stereo jack provided. The Raspberry Pi 4 Model B has proven to be an outstanding computing marvel that delivers power and versatility in a compact package. Impressive processing power. The quad-core 64-bit processor on the Raspberry Pi 4 Model B ensures a significant boost in processing capabilities. It handles a variety of tasks with remarkable speed and efficiency. Ample RAM. With 4 GB of RAM, this mini-computer is well equipped to handle multitasking and memory-intensive applications smoothly. Number 4. CanaKit Raspberry Pi 4. Get started with the CanaKit Raspberry Pi 4 Starter Pro Kit. It has everything you need to begin your Raspberry Pi journey. It boasts a 1.5 GHz 64-bit quad-core CPU and 4 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth and efficient operation for your projects. It comes with a 32 GB Samsung EVO Plus microSD card preloaded with NOBS, providing you with plenty of space to store your operating systems and projects. The premium high-gloss case protects it from damage, while the integrated fan keeps it cool and quiet. It includes a 3.5A USB-C power supply with a noise filter, ensuring stable and reliable power for your device. The kit also includes heat sinks to keep it cool, a micro HDMI to HDMI cable for easy connection to displays, and a convenient power switch. What we like. This one comes with everything you need to get started. It includes a pre-configured SD card and essential accessories, saving you time and effort. If you're a beginner or prefer a hassle-free setup, this kit is for you. You'll be up and running in minutes, ready to explore the world of Raspberry Pi. What people say. The design of the included case did not even require one single screw. The top and bottom of the case snap off from the middle easily and the board drops into place onto the bottom plate. This thing came with 3 heat sinks, a fan, a hard drive, albeit a microSD, preloaded with everything you could need, all the necessary wires, and even some extra stuff just because, a USB microSD reader. I put it together in minutes, had the software installed shortly thereafter, and was up and running in no time. The recommended Raspberry Pi OS for install is really good. I was thinking I did not really need the desktop software, etc., but I actually really kind of like it. I configured the hardware during the build, which again, took only minutes, for the high-performance fan installation, which is supposed to be noisy, but I don't hear anything at all. Number 3. RPI for Model B 8GB. Get ready to experience the power of a true PC in a compact form. It's incredibly versatile and ready to tackle any project you throw at it. It boasts a cutting-edge ARM Cortex-A72 architecture, similar to high-performance smartphones. The 1.5 GHz clock speed is a significant upgrade from its predecessor, delivering unparalleled performance. Experience breathtaking visuals with support for 4K at 60 and advanced features like H.265 decoding and OpenGL ES 3.0. It even supports dual-screen output for an immersive experience. Enjoy significantly faster data transfer speeds with the addition of USB 3.0. This also makes booting up much faster and more convenient. It features gigabit Ethernet for wired connections, offering a huge speed boost. The upgraded Bluetooth 5.0 provides double the transfer speed of previous models. It now uses a USB-C power connector, making it easier to power and more reliable than its predecessor. Remember, it requires a 5V 3.0A power supply. What we like. It offers superior memory and high-resolution video capabilities. If you need a device for high-end applications or media processing, this is the one. Its enhanced capabilities make it suitable for advanced projects and demanding workloads. It's perfect for those who need the extra power and performance. What people say. The Raspberry Pi 4 computer Model B 8GB has completely transformed my approach to building mini PCs and DIY projects. With its impressive capabilities and versatile design, it opens up a world of possibilities for tech enthusiasts and hobbyists alike. The 8GB RAM on this Raspberry Pi 4 model is a significant upgrade, providing ample memory for multitasking in resource-intensive applications. Whether you're running complex software, handling data-intensive tasks, or using it as a media center, the Raspberry Pi 4 delivers a smooth and responsive computing experience. One standout feature of the Raspberry Pi 4 is its powerful processing capability. The quad-core ARM Cortex-A72 processor clocked at 1.5 GHz ensures snappy performance, handling demanding tasks with ease. From web browsing to coding projects, the Raspberry Pi 4 delivers impressive speed and responsiveness. Number 2. CanaKit Pi 4 Extreme Kit. Get ready to experience the ultimate Raspberry Pi 4 setup. This kit has everything you need to get started, right out of the box. At the heart of it all is the powerful Raspberry Pi 4, boasting a 64-bit quad-core processor and 4 GB of RAM. It's ready to handle your most demanding tasks. It comes with a massive 128 GB Samsung EVO Plus microSD card, preloaded with nukes for easy setup. You'll have plenty of space for all your projects. This kit includes a premium case with an integrated fan for optimal cooling, ensuring smooth and reliable performance. A high-quality power supply is also included. Enjoy seamless connectivity with the included micro HDMI cables and easily manage power with the convenient USB-C Pi switch. It's all about ease of use. With heat sinks and all the necessary cables, it's ready to go straight out of the box. Start creating today. What we like. It offers massive storage capacity and a comprehensive kit. If you need a lot of space for your projects and prefer a convenient all-in-one solution, this is the best choice. It's ideal for users who need ample storage and don't want to source individual components. You'll appreciate the convenience and large storage capacity. What people say. The processor board fits into the case nicely and allows access to all the many ports as well as the 40-pin connector that connects to the FreeNOV kit via a ribbon cable. The operating system and a lot of software was preloaded into the microSD card and made setting up the processor easy. It was fun to put together, came with everything you needed and pretty decent instructions. Followed the directions to assemble everything and then watched a YouTube video on Octoprint setup and installation and had this thing running my printer in under 2 hours. The platform works very similar to Windows. The free Libra word processing, spreadsheets, and so on match Microsoft Office. No subscription fees for Libra and free updates. The same goes for the operating system platform. Number 1. Raspberry Pi 4 8GB. Get ready to experience the power and versatility of the latest Raspberry Pi. It's packed with features to make your projects come to life. With 8 GB of RAM, it handles demanding tasks with ease. It's perfect for multitasking and running resource-intensive applications. Experience significantly improved processing speeds. It's faster than ever before, making your projects run smoother and more efficiently. Stay connected with its built-in dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0. Enjoy seamless wireless connectivity for all your projects. It offers a wide range of connectivity options, including Gigabit Ethernet, USB 3.0, and HDMI. Connect all your peripherals with ease. From media centers to robotics, the possibilities are endless. Let your imagination run wild and create amazing things. What we like. It offers a significant memory upgrade and blazing fast networking. If you need a device for resource-intensive applications or high-speed data transfer, this is the one for you. It's perfect for projects that demand high memory and network performance. You'll appreciate the speed and efficiency for demanding tasks. What people say. I bought this for a media center. Works great with LibreLec, which incorporates Kodi. I have an 8 TB powered HD formatted to NTFS, with movies, music, and pictures on it. I connected it to my router, and have an HDMI cable directly to a smart TV. I use the Kodi remote app on an Android phone to access it. I bought this unit to act as a NAS server for my home network. I use Samba software and 2 USB drives and it works great. It was pretty easy to set up, but I have a couple of years' experience with Linux. The Raspberry Pi series of board have set a new standard for do-it-yourself electronic projects. The exposed and very well-documented GPIO pins provide so much potential. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.